Well, you see it. That's another Ford. That's 1966. It's a truck, though. But it's still got the same problem. Its flames, though, are coming from its tires. It's that fast. Fantastic. Oh, no way. Check that out. They got extra meters on the outside. Custom cab. Nice. Oh, check this out. I have not seen any vehicle do this. Totally cut out. Totally rad. Or is that chill? I don't know, but it's totally something. Put it what you think it is totally down in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think of this, or any other vehicles, or anything that's on my YouTube channel. Be my guest and search it, find what you like the best, like it and subscribe. That's the end of this show. Wait until the next one where there's more flames to be had.